Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean. And today I am here. I got some happy mail that I want to show y'all what I got. And this happy mail is from DonnaDreamsX3. And Donna, you really didn't have to do this. It was really sweet of you. I opened the bottom, but I have not pulled out the inside yet, so let me... Oh wow, I seen her video where she was cutting these out and put them together. I can't believe she sent me some. Thank you, lady, and I love these colors. Oh, look at the pretty flowers, y'all. For those of y'all who didn't see Donna's video, these make a pocket to put on front of the tags. They're tag pockets, and they are awesome. Oh, look, there's 3 different sizes. Oh, this is awesome. Thank you so much, lady. Oh, look at her little card. Oop. Got so excited it flew out of my hands. It says, one beautiful smile at a time. That's how we change the world. Big hugs, Donna. Oh, isn't that sweet? Look at this pretty note card, y'all. And I apologize for the sun glare. It's that time of day where the sun glares in, and I've got the blinds shut, but it's not helping a lot. But anyway, her little note card, this is one of the 3x3 note cards that she's made, and she's just got 3 layers of the stitch flowers going around, and then she's got a circle, I guess it's a punch with another circle. She's got the circle in gold, and then this little circle with the flower in the center. Isn't that pretty? And then she's got it on top of this really pretty little pink polka dotted paper. Put it up close where y'all can see without the sun glare. Isn't that darling? That is so cute. Let's see what she's got in these bags. Oh, she has cut out bow dies. These are bows that she's cut out for me. That is so awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, look, she's got every kind there is. Look. You know, Alicia, I sent her some bows that I cut by hand, and she told me she was sending me some dies, but she didn't think I needed them. But I tell you, I've been wanting some bow dies for the simple reason that it takes a long time to sit there and cut those out, and y'all would be surprised how much paper I waste when they don't come out right and I have to redo them over. Look at these colors. She cut them all out in pretty pinks. Oh, I love these. Thank you, Donna. Thank you so much. Oh, this is that double bow. I've seen all these bow dies, but I don't have any. I cut them out using my punch board or cut them out by hand, and depending on what I'm cutting, what material I'm cutting, if it's chipboard or whatever. Oh, look at these. Look at that pretty pink paper, y'all. I don't want to take them all out because I will definitely lose all the pieces. Ooh, look at these. Boy, she's got some pretty shabby paper. I don't know what collection that is, but I love that with the little tiny flowers. Look at that. Oh, and look at these. These have hearts in them. Wow. Awesome. Oh, and these are the bows with the little angel wings that come out from behind it. I've been looking, y'all know I've been looking, but oh, and she's got little tiny ones. Oh, I can't wait to use these on all my projects. Oh, and look, this is the one. I'll open this one and show you. I'm scared I'm gonna lose the little pieces like this one that fell out of the other package. See, I'm gonna end up losing them. That's why I don't want to open them. But look at this. Isn't that darling? I love that. Wow. Thank you so much, so much. Let me see which one this is. It looks like she's got several different ones in each pack. She does. Wow. I know where to go when I need bows cut out. I'm gonna have to find out what she likes, and we'll have to trade when I run out. These will last me quite a while. but I know where to come when I need more. Look at these, y'all. These are so cute. Wow. I love these, Donna. Thank you so much. You know, you said just a little something to make me smile. Well, you definitely achieved that today, lady. I'm smiling real big because these are awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. And if y'all haven't gone and checked out Donna's channel, I'll link it below so you can see how she put these pockets together for these tags, because she shows them already put together in her video. So I'll link her channel below and y'all can go check her out. I sure do appreciate this, Donna. This is awesome. These, I can't wait to use some of these. I can't wait to use all of them, but I won't use all of them. I'll have to save some. And these are gorgeous. Thank you, lady, very, very much. I got to put some of these together. But anyway, I am going to be doing a video here pretty soon. I'm working on some projects, and I can kind of give you a sneak peek. Hang on a minute. I'll give you a sneak peek of what I'm working on. I watched, well, Tamika put up one of the It's a Link party videos, and this was some time ago. It's not the one that's up now. I think it was 6 or 7. Well, doggone it. It never does right when you need it to. I'm trying to put it together so I can show you it together. And then, but anyway, in her one It's a Link party, it was the fold out embellishment book box thing, and I'm putting together some little gift sets, surprise kits, whatever you want to call them. And I kind of went by Tamika's tutorial that she used for, now I'm not done with this, I'm just showing y'all the basic thing because I've made several of them, and I'm just putting this one, decorating it. I've got it together, but I'm decorating it. But hers were smaller than this, and I had to readjust it and make it a little bit bigger for what I had. But when you open it, and like I said, I'm not done yet, it's the boxes. Y'all probably seen it in the It's a Link party, but it's the 3 boxes that you stuff goodies in. And I'm working on some of these, and these were my tassels and the flowers that I made out of the crepe paper. I just packaged them up, and I've got them in there. And I think I showed y'all some of these too. I just made some rosettes, and everything's not ready yet. I made these flowers here using a tutorial. Someone sent Tamika some flowers like this, and then I went to her channel and seen how she made them. So I will have to find her video, and when I do the final reveal of all this after I get everything completed, I will link that video. And then I just got some other little goodies, the crepe paper bows that I made, some other little goodies I'm putting in the pockets. But I'm making a couple gift sets like this, and I'm stuffing the pockets, and I'm gonna send them out. I've got to decorate them. And see, like this has some bling that I decorated, and some bulb pins, and just different little things like that that I'm going to be putting in here and sending out to a few different people. And this is what I've been working on. I've kind of been working on this in my spare time, because I do taxes, and I do them for my son, his business, and we're working on some quarterly taxes that we got to get done. So I don't have a whole lot of time to sit down, but I do this kind of in between everything. The hardest part to this was figuring out how to make it bigger than Tamika's. They're really simple to do, and I'll link her video below so you can go check out the one that she made. But anyway, that's what I've been working on. Thank you so much, Donna, for the beautiful Happy Mail. I have a great big smile on my face. And I will be back really soon with some more stuff to show you. Y'all have a crafty day. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.